Welcome guys, I am Pooja Agarwal and you are watching my YouTube channel Premium Cooking. Guys, 2021 is coming, so for welcome of New Year, I am going to bake a healthy cake. Yes, it is healthy because we are using only wheat flour and butter, and healthy because we are using lots of dry fruits with mawa. It is very good for not only children but the old one also. So must try it at home our dry fruit mawa cake. And please not skip the video, watch till the end and like, share with your friends also. Now without wasting time, come to make. For making healthy cake, first we are adding 100 ml milk in our mixing bowl. After adding milk, we are adding butter. It is homemade butter and approximate 150 ml. You can take 170 also in 100 ml milk. It is warm milk. Warm means what? Lukewarm milk. Then I am adding 150 ml homemade butter in milk. And mix it well. It can't mix well because it is butter and milk. So we have to add sugar. It is powder sugar and it is approximate 200 gram. Now I am adding this. Mix it well. After adding powder sugar, we are adding 4 cardamom powder. It's for flavor. And after adding all, it's time of milk powder. It is of 80 gram. Then add milk powder in this mixture. That's why I have called it healthy and wealthy cake also, because all wealthy ingredients we are adding in this cake, and our mawa cake will be rich in taste because of these ingredients. After adding these ingredients, now we have to beat it. Then beat it by using hand mixer. We have to beat it for 5 to 10 minutes. After beating this mixture, we are going to add baking powder. It is approximate 1 teaspoon. As well, we are adding baking soda. It is also 1 teaspoon. It is sufficient. 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. After adding baking soda and baking powder, again we have to beat it properly. And at last we are adding whole wheat flour. It is of 400 gram. We are adding in portion wise, do not add whole. Mix it well, and after adding whole wheat flour, again beat it well for 5 to 10 minutes. I have added wheat flour in it, guys, and it is very healthy. It is gehu ka atta. It is healthy for all. Then the cake is also so healthy. Then I am going to add all whole wheat flour in mixture. If consistency is not like so, then you have to add again milk in it. Then again beat it well. Guys, I have taken this big bowl to beat well, and I have added 50 ml milk again because it was so dry. The batter was so dry, so we want consistency like this. So I have added 50 to 70 ml milk again in that batter. Now I think our batter has ready. Now it's time of mawa. Now I have taken 125 gram mawa or khawa. It is fresh homemade khawa, guys. Now I am adding 3 tablespoons sugar in it. Now microwave it for 30 seconds. After microwaving it, see that the consistency is like it. We are adding this in cake batter. Now our batter has ready and we have to set it into cake pot. So I have taken this cake pot and I am adding this batter in this pot. Now I am setting this batter in this pot. Then add half portion of batter in this pot like this. Consistency should be like this. Half portion of batter in the bowl and shake like this for better setting. Now we are going to add our mawa or khawa on this batter. Add like this, guys. Adding whole mawa. I am adding left batter. On this mawa. I have added all the batter on mawa. Now I am adding dry fruit. You can take dry fruit of your choice. Lots of dry fruit you have to add on the top of the cake because it's called wealthy cake also. And after adding all the dry fruits, press smoothly by a spoon or a spatula and preheat your oven on 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, guys. And again set for 30 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius on convection mode. Now it's time to bake, guys. Set your microwave on 180 degrees Celsius on convection mode and take a time for 30 minutes to bake it. If it will not bake, then you can raise the timing also. I am taking 30 minutes timing. Our 30-minute time has over, guys. Let me check. Is it baked properly or not? Our dry fruit mawa cake. Wow, it's almost ready. Means it totally ready, I think. Guys, must try this healthy cake for your children and old one also. It is richest in taste because of dry fruits and wheat flour as well as mawa. Nothing is healthy than it. So must try it. Keep it for 20 minutes to cool down properly. After cooling down, we will cut it. Now our cake has completely ready. Now you can see the texture of our mawa dry fruit cake. So it's time of cutting. So let's cut it. Now we are cutting it. Our dry fruit mawa cake has ready to eat. Now you can see the texture and the taste when you will try at home. the maca which is melted between the cakes and the texture of our spongy cake. It is totally made by wheat only. Then you can see the guys texture. Now it's time to garnish, guys. They do not garnish with any preservative. Then we are using honey for that, and we are garnishing it by honey. It is also healthy ingredient. So add honey on your cake pieces. Now taste it, our dry fruit mawa cake. It is really yummy. So I request you guys, watch till the end. Do not skip it. It is my self-made recipe. Do not watch only, like it also. You can't find this recipe on YouTube before. So please like the recipe and comment in comment box and hit on the bell icon, that can you get all the notifications of my new recipes.